birthday celebration. Now he is 36 years old. Still young and stronger.
Yes, about? Okay.
Okay, God bless you, son. Happy birthday.
Okay, that's good.
Okay. Happy
Where's the knife?
birthday.
Keep it there.
Happy birthday, love ko. I love you so much. God bless you.
Dia no? Ay, Dia.
Okay. Ba't parang madilim yung bahay natin? Anong nangyari? Ha? Okay, Julie! Ano sabi mo kita niyan?
Happy birthday, Kuya Daniel. More birthdays to
Okay.
come.
Sister! Ano sabi mo kita niyan, sister? Ha? Happy birthday, Julie.
Happy birthday!
Ano mabuti? Anong? Walang sinabi? Ah.
I'm cutting it.
Okay, sana happy birthday. Wish you good health.
Here, love.
Should I put this on top of pizza?
Yeah, sure. Hold on, love.
Cake and pizza on top of each other?
Sure.
Okay,
Hold on, I'll take a picture of you first.
Okay, sana yan. Hello, baby. Hello, happy birthday, Tito Daniel. Junior, hello. Agnes, sama ko Tito Daniel, happy birthday. Agnes, hello, baby. Yo, boy, sabi ko dito lang.
Happy birthday.
Kuya, happy birthday, Tito Daniel.
Birthday, Tito Daniel.
Wow, yes. Okay, God bless everyone. Enjoy eating. Okay, God bless
Okay, you can have
everyone.
cake. It's already cut.
Okay, thanks for me. Okay, God bless you. Enjoy your day. Okay. Princess! God bless you.
Hey, Leia, bumili ka ba kayo yan? I think we need more ice. Or should we just reuse the ice?
Okay.
Hey! Go! Go! Go!
Lucky! Okay, God bless everyone.
Leia, bili ka na nga lang ng isa pa.
Sana enjoy your day. Day is so special.
Okay.
Okay, enjoy the landing tonight.
Go! Go!
Okay, God bless you. No.
I'm just threatening him.
Okay, no.
Go!
Lucky!
I'm just threatening him.
God bless. Princess, alisin mo nga si Lucky.
Baki! Baki!
Okay, God bless everyone. Hello,
Papa!
Princess.
Pa! Masi Papa!
Ah.
Right. Papa! Ayun, Papa! Ayun na!
Okay. God bless everyone.
Okay.
Okay.